Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you through 5 best personal loans for bad credit in USA. So you'll need to stick around to the end to get to number 1. At number 5 we have Best Egg. Best Egg is great for bad credit with a minimum credit score of 580. It has an APR range of 7.99% up to 35.99%. And if you're looking for loans, you can get between $2,000 up to $50,000. And coming up at number 4, we have Upgrade. Upgrade also has a minimum credit score of 580, just as Best Egg. However, they have a higher APR range of 9.99% to 35.99%, and it also has discounts. You also get a loan amount between $1,000 to $50,000. Coming up at number 3, you have Prosper. Prosper has a minimum credit score of 560 with an APR range of 8.99 to 35.99. They give loan amount between $2,000 up to $50,000. Coming up at number 2, we have Avant. Avant has a minimum credit score of 550. It has an APR range of 9.95%, moving up to 35.99%. You can get loan amount of $2,000 up to $35,000. And coming up at number 1, we have Upstart. If you have a really bad credit score of 300, then Upstart will deal with you. They have an APR range of 7.40% up to 35.99%. You can also get loan amount of $1,000 up to $50,000. So these are our top picks for our 5 best personal loans for bad credit. Which of them will you be going with? Let us know, and thanks for watching.